In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your professional account to normal account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at menu and then select settings and privacy. Then tap at creator tools and controls, and then search for switch account type. If you tap on it, it will show you two different options: switch to personal account or switch to business account. Select the first one. And after a couple of seconds, your account will be switched to normal or personal Instagram account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.